What's up, guys? It's me, Woodlord, and today we're going to be checking out the aftermath of that little rainstorm that we had. Am I right, Mother?
Yeah.
Right. So yeah. I don't know. We're just gonna be looking at the beautiful sunset. And yeah. Also, you should comment down below what favorite time of day is yours. Like, do you like the sun going down, the sunrise, dawn?
I think sunrise is pretty. Sunset's pretty.
Yeah, I like sunset. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah. I'm gonna walk a few ways around and show you the aftermath. There's really nothing to show. It's just all of it. I can't. Ah, ow, that hurt. It attacked me. Oh. Sorry, guys. But I want this bird. And wham! I can whack anyone in the face. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh god, that looks scary. It's scary. Yeah, that's it. Oh. Oh, it's not. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Sorry.